Hi everyone, welcome to week 2 in environmental science. I wanted to take a minute to show you what to expect this week. So this week is a little more typical in format. We only have one module, so it's the week 2 module. First place I want you to go is the content page. On this tab, you'll see our learning objectives, then some terms to know. I recommend you make flashcards of these terms and study them. And then some information about some of the content that you'll find in chapter 3. So chemistry, energy, and nutrient cycles. After you've worked with the content a little bit on the content page, proceed to the discussion, and you'll see the learning objectives again that you saw in the first tab or the second tab of the content page. Actually, it was the first tab. The point of this discussion is to choose one of these learning objectives and find online learning resources or a online learning resource that you think will help you master that objective. You're going to make a post by Wednesday to the class telling us which learning objective you identified and what resource you found. And then by the end of the week, check back into the discussion and respond to one of your peers' posts. Those responses are due by Saturday at 11:59 p.m. There's also a chemistry and Excel laboratory in the week 2 module. The chemistry part has you working with a simulation, an atom builder simulation, changing the proton number and the neutron number and the electron number, creating different elements, creating isotopes and ions in order for you to understand what these different terms mean and really understand the structure of an atom. The next part of the lab is a Excel activity where you will use Excel to do some calculations of the data that you collected in your seedling germination and salinity experiment, the one that you started last week, and you'll also make a couple of graphs of those data. This is important because this is going to become part of your very first lab report in environmental science. So hopefully completing the Excel activity will line you up to do really well on that first lab report. There's also a practice quiz. I recommend you do this after you've looked through the content, participated in the discussion, and completed the lab. This is a way for you to figure out what you know and what you don't know before you take the graded quiz. So like the lab, this is due Saturday at 11:59 p.m. This quiz is timed. You have 15 minutes to complete it, and it's worth 10 points. So as always, I hope you have a wonderful week and enjoy digging into the material in Chapter 2 in our textbook. And please reach out if you have any questions. Have a great week. Bye.